Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. All right. Lesson 108, schedules. So the first thing we're going to do is write the definition for schedules, which is a list of times and events that shows when events are planned to happen. Let's move this over there. Events are planned to happen. There you go. Schedule. All right, example 1, you've got this piece of paper. It says, the schedule of events for the state track meet is shown in the program. Daphne qualified to run both the 300-meter low hurdles and the 200-meter dash. Her second race starts how many minutes after the start of her first race? So her first race, there's these black dots. So the first thing you've got to do is find her, you guys have a little cheat sheet because these dots are already here, but you've got to find her events. So you see 300-meter low hurdles, okay, that's the first thing you're looking for, and the second thing is 200-meter dash. So you find those things. So the first event starts at 3:10 p.m. and the second event starts at 3:40 p.m. And what they're asking is how much time is between these times? Well, so what you can do, since this is the same hour and the same time of day, it's not a.m. to p.m. or anything, all you have to look for is the minutes. So from 10 minutes to 40 minutes is 30 minutes. Okay, that is the correct answer. Is how many minutes after the start of the first race? 30 minutes. Example 2, David planned a round-trip flight from Oklahoma City to Indianapolis and back to Oklahoma City. Here is David's flight itinerary. So here he's going from Oklahoma City to, from Oklahoma City to Indianapolis. So he's got to take a connecting flight. So Oklahoma City, then he's going to Chicago, then from Chicago he's going to Indianapolis. So we don't really see a question. Oh, let me write. It says David needs to change planes. Right, okay, we know that. To get from here to here. He needs to change planes. In which cities does he change planes, and how much time does David have in the schedule to make these plane changes? So David is going to change planes in Chicago. Okay? And then he's going from Chicago to Indianapolis. So his flight lands at 8:09 a.m. He gets in Chicago. And then he leaves Chicago at 9:43 a.m. Okay? So we need to figure out how to get from 8:09 to 9:43. So we know from 8:09 to 9:09 is 1 hour. Okay, and then from 9:09 to 9:43, we're going to have to figure out how much time that is. So we've got to first get to the right hour. Okay, so now we're in the 9 o'clock hour once we get that hour. So 1 hour at least. 1 hour, and now we're figuring out the minutes. So we're going to do 43 minutes. I get that from here, and I'm going to take away 9 minutes, okay? And I get 34 minutes. Okay, so the question actually is how much time does he have from when he arrives in Chicago to when he leaves Chicago? And the answer is 1 hour and 34 minutes. For lesson practice today, you are going to write your favorite math concept that you've learned this year. To figure out the math concepts that we've learned this year, you can flip all the way back through your very organized math notebook, okay? You should have 108 math lessons written now that you've written this one. So please write down your favorite math concept that you've learned this year and one example of how you use it. Okay? So just write down your favorite math concept and then give us a problem from that math concept. Have a great day.